So Mom, she's wanting some trellises made for these cushaws and pumpkins. So I got a couple up there. Now, as you can see, all I did is I pretty much got 3 branches on this one. I actually got 4 on this one because they're a little thinner, not as strong. And then I got a few limbs, not very many. I mean, you can see this in here, just for like little cross members, kind of help tie it together. I only got 1 on that one. But since this is weaker, put another short one here, and all you're doing is you're making where all 3 of them where they're gonna fit in there good and not fall. And yeah, it's got like a little limb and stuff for them to climb on and stuff as it goes. Got one here. So pretty much anywhere where there's a fork, you can put something like that there, and or anywhere where 2 limbs cross. So we'll see what she thinks about this, but I don't think it looks too bad. What do you guys think? This is kind of the old way of doing things. You can use fencing and stuff like that, but as you can see, we got piles of brush that is useful. I mean, they are having a purpose like this, keeping dirt from running off, and hopefully it'll build this ground up level, right? But we got plenty of it, so we can use some of this stuff for things like this. And then after we're done, we can just throw them back up there for a hedge lawn, brush lawn.
We need more of it because we ran out of knots yet, because we feel more though, and it's not yet, but Grandma has to love it, and my friend. But my friend is okay though, but my friend is sleeping now. Now my friend go outside a minute after them sleep. So now, and we gotta get my friend cool. Now I ask my friends how to do this thing.
Well, are you going to talk about this?
Yep.
How you made it?
Look, we made something. It's plants. And the plants are good because it will grow all the way.
Here, how's this plant right here? How's it gonna go?
It's way up.
It's gonna climb up that one?
Yep. Now,
What about that one over there?
oh. Now that one's going to
Show us how it's gonna grow.
And that one's going to grow so tall and so bigger. So it's going to grow so tall.
Reagan, you guys did a good job building that.
Hi.
Philip, you did a good job building that, buddy.
God in a cup. And 2
Yeah.
I chalk. And 1 and 2 chalks.
You guys made one like Daddy, didn't you? Made a trellis. I don't think we need another one right now. We'll see what Grandma says. Need some water. See the yellow. Should just sleep on it. Not the only one long enough to really start climbing yet.
Check out our garden, guys. It looks so good. The peppers are coming in good right here. And there's our row of tomatoes. Here's our okra and the peas. Some of them are above the fence. Here's our little bed of carrots and all the green beans. And down there's the squash. Just looks amazing. We've even got flowers coming on. This is super exciting.
We've worked pretty hard on this garden, getting it ready, and so it's, you know, no wonder we're taking a lot of pride in it, because we have been working so hard on it.
We have been working extremely hard. And guys, what I did here You can see I planted some marigolds in between the different variety of tomatoes, and even some with the peppers, and that'll help with the different types of bugs and diseases.
And it separates the different types of the tomatoes too, right?
Yep.
Didn't we do it? Yeah. So we kind of know where one type starts, one, you know, and the next one starts and all.
Yep. So we're really proud of our little garden here. It looks like this string that Kim put up the other day is doing its job. These asparagus beans are wrapping around it. And so every day we'll just go through, and same thing with the peas, and just kind of make sure that it's looping up and around.
Sometimes when you are growing your beans and stuff, you find out that the company that you got the beans from have some others in there. Take a look at this in our green bean patch. We had a purple bean. This is not something we ordered. Kind of fun to look at, and I'm assuming it's going to taste just like green beans. But that's not one we ordered. And when we go down the other end of our patch, we see that we got one bean here that is like a pole bean, and it's looking for something to grow up onto. And these are just supposed to be bush beans. So a little bit fun.
Okay, so all we have here, this is a potato plant, and as you can see, it looks like a tomato growing on the potato plant. Now something you need to know, which I should have cut these down sooner because the flowers are already gone. That's what turns into the flowers, these little tomato looking things. But these are very toxic and it can get your kids sick if they eat them, so it's best just go ahead and cut these off. And what it's trying to do is it's trying to make potato seeds to survive. But if you cut them off, just like tomatoes, whenever you prune or cut anything, you're redirecting the energy somewhere else. So by cutting that off, all the energy is going to make more potatoes instead of seeds. So I'm gonna have to go through all these and try to find, because I don't want my kids eating them. I got little ones. Here's another one. See, this already had flowers on it at one time. It's been so busy with other stuff, which is easy to do. And I guess potatoes and tomatoes are actually in the same family. Supposedly, I don't really know if that's true. I'll have to look it up. Once they start flowering, what that means, it's getting close to the end of the cycle. So these potatoes, you can already see the leaves kind of changing. They'll start dying soon, and these potatoes will actually be ready to start harvesting real soon. And then we can plant them again. Should be able to get 2 potato crops in this zone a year.
And we're in zone 6A.
6A, yep.
Just a little update on our worms. They've already multiplied, and we're feeding them just scraps, and they're in the soil. They're doing really good. And these are the red wiggler worms that they have in Florida. If you go back to one of our previous videos, you'll see the tour that we took of a worm farm, which is where we got the idea for this.
We hope you enjoyed watching Chamberlain Family Farms. You can contact us at chamberlainff@gmail.com. You can also check us out on Facebook, Chamberlain Family Farms. We hope you enjoyed. Please like and subscribe.